Have you ever wondered how your food gets to you so fast? It doesn't just appear, it goes on a journey. It all starts at the farm, where fresh ingredients like vegetables and grains are carefully grown and harvested. Then these raw materials are carefully transported by trucks to suppliers and restaurants, ensuring they reach on time and in good condition. At the restaurant, the chef carefully uses these fresh ingredients to prepare your delicious meal, ensuring quality and taste in every bite.
And finally, the food reaches you, fresh, fast, and ready to enjoy.
This entire process, from raw materials to the final customer, is called a supply chain. Simply remember, from the farm, to transport, to production, to delivery, and finally to you. Follow for more simple and easy business lessons.